this is packet 1, and this is all the tiny pieces. As you can see, I've already built a full Captain America, but what I was missing is his shield. One moment, everybody. Thank you. This is Captain America without in the plane. Jackie, can you please this dude right here, this dude has a blank face. Now it's my turn. This dude has a blank face. But you realise there's a little bit of misunderstanding. He may have Falcon's wings and Thor's little rings, but he's still every Avenger. So they're all nice to him. So you realise that this dude was a bad guy in a couple of days ago. And so this...
What are you building, Bo?
I don't know.
Who's back?
Twinkle Brothers. Twinkle Brothers are back, everybody. Yay!
Who's in this?
There's Captain Marvel, Miss Marvel. So that's the showcase now. And now
Captain America.
What is this called again?
Is that Falcon? Super Adaptoid.
A super adapter.
And what ages is this for?
6 and 12. So we're allowed to do that.
And what age are you?
6.
Alright then. Alright, what are you going to start to do then, Bo?
Build. Can I have building with you, Dad?
You've got instructions?
Dad has these. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, no, but I already done it. Can you find this piece? I found these two. I don't need them. I need one like that, a tube. Like these two. So just one, please. Thank you. And where's the person? This one's wrong. He needs to go. Hey, look. It's wrong. So see, one of them. Yeah, let me just get Captain America. Look at him. It's Captain America with a pasta on. That is not him. It's Captain America with a pasta. Cool. Cut. Everybody, check this out. Ooh. Pea paper. There. I put it. Put it. Check it out. Camera's on me. Hey. I've opened the phone.
You're doing good. Yeah, I saw you doing good.
So the instructions say, everybody, that Captain America needs to pee his pants. Don't you see anything in that? So you need to pull down this. Where's Captain America? Here. There. I need to shoot something at it. Here.
Good job. Well done.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Doesn't go there, mate.
I forgot how to do it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so sorry. Next page, please. So,
Alright, should we come back when we've done some building?
No, I still want to film a video. That's nothing. Puppy baby.
Good girl, Amaya. Well done. Oh, Enrico's building there.
The white.
No, I need the
This
white.
is as white. White for water. Daddy. Kima ganda. Kima ganda ganda ganda. Do I got it? Did I get this one? There. So I got this one. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, 2. And one black. And I'll get the black. Black. I got black.
Alright, guys.
So the black.
We'll come back when we've done some building.
I'll go first. Both of you. Daddy! Go stay. There. There, now you do your things. Then next to